Hey guys, T here. Welcome back to the Clay series, and this is episode 3. And today I'm going to show you how to scrap local businesses using clay. If you're targeting salons, clinics, gyms, agencies, restaurants, or any other local businesses, this video is for you. No manual Google search, no copy paste headaches, and just clean local businesses data. You can actually use it for outreach. Let's get straight into it. So, yeah, once you come into clay, you can see this option like local businesses. Just click that. After that, you can disable this option because we don't have any existing API for it, so that we don't need it. If you have any API for it already, you can use this. It is useful to pull more than 200 results per search. So we don't have any API credits so that we can disable it. Below that, we just have to include the location which we want to target. I'm just giving it United States. And you can adjust the radius like based on meters and kilometers. I don't want to change anything. Go with simple one. In search query, we can search in a simple terms like which industry you want to target and which location it is in. So I'm just go with region USA. And you can see here, we can only pull 200 data per search. So without API credits, we can only pull 200 results per search. There are only fresh data without any duplicates. So I'm just giving 200. Please continue. We don't have any existing table, so that I'm just giving new table. And yeah, it's great. You can see all the inputs we gave before. The location, search query, and preferred Google API and number of results. If you gave any API key, you can see here like true. We don't use anything, so it's showing like false. Number of results we got 200. So yeah, these are the details we can get like gym name and Google Map URL, websites, phone numbers, addresses, ratings, review counts. So when you click business found here, you can see any all scrap data based on this one gym, and you can add anything as a new column just by clicking take action on a list. And if you want to edit the inputs, you just go to find local businesses and edit sources. Here you can edit inputs. So you can change the location, you can change the industries, and you can change the number of results and radius. Also, you can enable the API key also. Just click submit again. It will give you a updated data. So I don't change anything so that I'm seeing the same data. So yeah, that's how you can scrap local businesses using Clay. Once you have this data, you can use it for cold email, WhatsApp outreach, or simple local business partnership. If you have any doubts, just comment below and I'll reply. See you next video. Bye.